Okay, so this is the gym, and I'm inside the gym, and I want to point out it looks like two treadmills. It's got two kind of stair step machines. It's got great views too. I like the views, and there over there are the balconies of the Vista. It's got another kind of spin machine that's over here. It's got some kettlebells and some other stuff over here, and then there's a couple of kind of free weight things that are over here. It does have the TV over there, and then, dude, like I love college football, and my friend and he just started talking. I'm a big Aggie, and he's Auburn, so he was telling me some great stuff about the Vista. So anyway, thanks, bud. And then there's some dumbbells that are over there, and so I like the gym. I wish it were a little bit bigger, but besides that, I like it. It's enough to get you what you need as far as a good basic workout. And my friend was telling me over here that he works out. He was working out pretty heavy over here, and you can see he's pretty buff, and so he was working out heavy. He's able to get that workout in here. So this is the gym, y'all. Okay, let's go on to the model.